Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful heart stretcher design you see on the screen. This stretcher design makes your outfit look stylish and elegant. So if this is what you would like to learn, then let's get right into the video. So I'm making use of this doll face satin fabric. So I'm making use of this boning. It's called Regilin boning, and this size is the 1/4 inch. And this boning you can sew on it. I also have the 1/2 inch boning, as well as the plastic boning. The plastic boning you cannot sew on it. You have to create a channel to pass it through. So I'm making use of this 1/4 inch boning. And I also have my ruler, my scissors, my measuring tape, and also my tailoring chalk. So let's get the video started. So next I'll be cutting out the pieces for the boning. For the 1/2 inch boning, you'll be cutting out 2 inches. And for the 1/4 inch boning, you'll be cutting out 1/2 inch. So I'm making use of the 1/4 inch boning because I don't have enough of the 1/2 inch boning. I'll be cutting 1/2 inch throughout. Rule the line and then cut it out. Now that I cut out the pieces, as you can see on the table, I'll go ahead and measure the length I need for the bigger design and then the length I need for the smaller design. So I'll be cutting 2 pieces of this bigger design, which is 27 inches, and I'll be cutting out 2 pieces for the smaller design, which is 18 inches. For the length, it depends on how big you want your heart design to be. I finished cutting out the 4 pieces, 2 pieces for the bigger size, and then 2 pieces for the smaller size. So the next thing to do is to fold it in half. This is the good side. This is the wrong side. So I'm going to fold it with the good side inside and take to my machine and sew on it from this end to this end. And I'm going to do to all the 4 pieces and come and show you. So guys, this is how it looks after sewing the pieces. So the next thing to do is to get my safety pin to turn them inside out. So I'm going to be fixing the safety pin like this, close it, and then start to push it inside like so. It's a little bit difficult, but you take your time to turn it inside out. After turning all the pieces out, this is what I have. So the next thing is to iron all the pieces and come back and show you. So this is what I have after ironing them. You see how it will last neatly. So the next thing to do is to start inserting the boning. So what I did, I cut 2 bonies for the bigger pieces, and I cut the boning 1 inch less than the main length I cut. And I cut 2 pieces of boning for the 2 smaller pieces. And also I cut 1 inch less than the main length of the piece. So now we start inserting them. So let me start with the big piece. So this is how to insert the boning. You put the boning in like this. So this is it. We have 1/2 inch on each side of the boning, which you are going to use to join the pieces together. So let me go ahead and insert the boning into all the pieces. So guys, this is how I look after inserting the boning. This is how my pieces look like. This is it. So the next thing to do is to take it to my ironing board and iron on it well so that we can get the exact shape of the heart. You see, because it's not iron yet. You see how it's looking? Yes, because it's not iron yet. So I'll take all to my ironing board, iron it, and come back and show you the next step. So this is how my pieces look after ironing the boning. So the next thing to do is to start forming the heart shape. So if you want to embellish your own, you can go ahead and do so. You can use pearls, you can use trimmings, you can use stones to embellish like this. You can glue these trimmings on it, or you can use your nylon thread to hold it on the boning like this. You can use these stones to embellish it. So I'm not stoning my own today because I'll be attaching this heart shape to a dress or a top that I want to make later. So let's start joining our pieces together. You thread your needle with a matching thread. Then you take the first one. Because this boning is regiling boning that you can sew on. Because you already left some allowance down below. You hold the two together like so and attach it with your needle and thread. But if you use the plastic boning, you cannot stitch on it. So the only thing is you leave about 1 inch extra down to be able to sew it with your leftover fabric on the edge of the design. So this is how it looks. You see the heart shape is already formed. So I'm going to be holding all these other 3 pieces the same way I hold this, and I'll come to show you how it looks like. So I've joined the 2 smaller pieces together like this, as you can see. So the next thing to do is to take the bigger piece and attach to the smaller piece like this to get your heart shape. But because we are using boning, although this is a sewable boning, the easy way to attach it is to take one leg of the bigger size and attach to the smaller one and stitch it, hold it together, then take the second leg of the bigger one and attach it also like this and get the second part and attach it together. So this is how it will look after attaching it. So I'll do the same thing to this second piece. I'll also attach the bigger one to this smaller one here and come and show you the next step. So guys, finally this is how our stretcher heart design look like. And you see I've finished the 2 pieces. So the next thing to do is to join the 2 pieces together like this to get your heart shape. You see how I look? And also you can choose to design it like this. So I'm going to be joining the 2 pieces together like so. I have to hold it with needle and thread down here. Just hold this middle part a bit. Then our heart shape is ready. So let me just do that and come back and show you. So guys, this is the outcome of our structured heart design. So this is how it looks. You can embellish it with your lace trim or any embellishment you have. You can put it on a halfway like this and put it towards the shoulder like so. This is another way of designing your outfit. So this is another way of fixing it on your outfit to give it that elegant look. You see how beautiful it looks? So we have come to the end of our video. If you find this video interesting, please don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up and also share my videos. Comment down the comment section below if you like what I'm doing. Just comment down, and if you have something, anything, any style you want me to make, please just drop it down the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.